Do you think take just means grab something? Think again. Here are 12 ways to use it like a native. Number 1, take care of. This means to look after someone or something. For example, I'll take care of your plants while you're away. Number 2, take advantage of. This means to use an opportunity or situation to your benefit. For example, you should take advantage of the free training at work. Number 3, take place. This means to happen. For example, the concert will take place next Friday. Number 4, take your time. This means do not hurry. For example, take your time finishing the report. Number 5, taken into account. This means considered when making a decision. For example, your feedback will be taken into account for the next project. Number 6, take no notice of. This means ignore someone or something. For example, take no notice of the rude comments online. Number 7, take pity on. This means to feel sympathy for someone and help them. For example, she took pity on the stray cat and fed it. Number 8, take off. This means remove something like clothing or for a plane to leave the ground. For example, please take off your shoes before entering. Or the plane will take off in 10 minutes. Number 9, take up. This means to start doing something new. For example, I've decided to take up painting. Number 10, taken to. This means to start liking someone or something. For example, he has really taken to his new job. Number 11, taken against. This means to develop a dislike for someone or something. For example, she's taken against the idea of moving to the city. Number 12, take out. This can mean remove something from somewhere or take someone on a date. For example, please take out the rubbish, or he's taking her out for dinner tonight. Which take expression do you use the most? Tell me in the comments.